Hello, my friends. It's Miss Caitlin again. Thank you for tuning in to our counseling lesson for today. Let's begin with our message. Okay, are you ready to read? Here we go. Hello. Welcome back to counseling. We are almost done with counseling lessons. Today, we will play games to learn about different types of careers. Our learning goals are: number 1, I can play career games online and make connections to real-world careers. Number 2, I can identify at least one thing I learned about a career. Wonderful reading, friends. So today we are going to be talking about careers. And if you've had Miss Caitlin before in past years, you're probably already familiar with what a career is. But let's refresh our memories. What exactly is a career? A career is a job. It's a job that you have when you become an adult that you have for probably most of your life. So it's important for us as we get older and older to be thinking about what careers are out there, what might interest us, what we might want to have when we get older so that we can make sure we study the right things in school, we get good grades, we take the right classes, and we go to the right type of college if we need to, right? So today we're going to be playing some games to help us learn a little bit more about some careers that are out there. So our lesson today is going to be pretty short because I'm really just going to be showing you how to use this website. So on your Google Classroom lesson that I posted, there will be a link to a website called Whyville. So I would wait until the end of this video to click on it unless you want to press pause and kind of do it with me. So I can show you it first and then we can go from there. So once you're ready to begin this on your own, you could go to your Google Classroom, click on the link that says Whyville, and it's going to take you to a website that looks like this. So we are not going to start an account today. We're just going to use the website as a guest, is what it says. So in order to begin, you start with this part right here where you get to make a character, whatever you want it to look like. So I don't know. I'll kind of make mine look like me. Maybe I'll do this, and I don't know, smile, blue eyes, and I kind of have brown hair. Okay, that's my person. If I don't like what I did, I can go back and be like, no, we want something else. Maybe I'll put a different nose on there. Okay, all right, that's going to be my person. When you're done making your person, you click Done and click Enter as Guest. We're not going to join right now because it's really complicated and we don't need to in order to play the games. So we're just going to enter as guest. Click. Okay, so the first part is telling you to talk to this lady so that you can learn a little bit about how to use the site. So it says, ready? Click on me to start. Click. Hello, guest 32321, new to Whyville. My name is Josefina. I'll be your guide. Type hello and then press enter to talk to me. I don't know where to type hello. Oh, this purple box right here says chat. I'm going to press that and a little box comes up where I can type. So I'm going to type, hello. Awesome. That's how you talk in Whyville. Now, I bet you want to learn how to move. Click anywhere on the screen to go there. I don't know. Let's go over here. Great job. You did it. You can also click to go inside places in Whyville. When you move your mouse over a location, a bubble pops up to tell you about it. Mouse around the room. Can you find the welcome lounge? So let's see. what's this say? Forum, Spin Lab, Museum, City Hall. Oh, yay, you found the Welcome Lounge. So I'm going to click on it. There I go. And I get to go inside. Okay, so this lady's trying to talk to us. And there's another person in here. Okay, so we don't really need to talk to her. What I really want you to do is, once you get to this place, is to scroll down, and then you can play the games that we're going to play. So you're here. After you do that, you scroll down and you click play. Okay, that's going to take you to all of the games, or most of the games anyway, that are in this site that you can play. And a lot of them have to do with careers. So let's look and see. Wilson City Rescue, that looks like something with being a firefighter. And we see Peak Power, manage the power plants for a big city. Reef Station, help reefs stay healthy. Greenville, design an energy efficient house. So all of these, or most of them, have something to do with a type of career. A couple of them don't, like I see checkers. I don't know, what's another one? Something else. Shuffleboard, that's not really anything to do with a career. So you can play those types of games too, but I need you to play at least one of the games that has to do with a career to do our lesson today, okay? So you can pick from any of these games, and you can also go over to your left and click on the map. So the map shows you all of Whyville, and you can click on the different places and do the different things in there. Some of them will be the same as the games we just looked at, and some of them might not. So let's see. Ooh, let's go to the reef station. That looks fun. Okay, so you can click on the guy. He'll tell you about stuff. The food web game, reef simulator, videos from real coral reefs. There's tons of stuff to do in each of these areas. And if you don't want to be in here, I think you can just click your back button. Yeah. So you just click the back button and then you're back to the map again. So there's two ways for you to find a game that you want to play. Using the map, or I'm going to click back again, just going to this list and playing a game that you find here. It's up to you. So let's click on a game just to see what they're like. I don't know. Let's do, Critter Care. Care for lab animals and raise your salary. That sounds fun. This must be like a science type of career. So it says, hello, I am the Critter Care Animal Monitor. To get started, choose an animal to care for from the bulletin board. For more information, click me. Do we want a fish, a frog, a pig, a pigeon, or a rat? I want to take care of a pig. Okay. Click a cage to care for that mini pig. Read the mini pig's history and then monitor its vital signs and care for it appropriately. So I'm going to be taking care of a pig in this game. And I'm thinking while I'm playing, what career is this kind of like? Maybe it's like being a veterinarian, or maybe it's like being a scientist, some kind of a scientist, right? So I'm thinking about these things while I'm playing the game in order to learn about a career. If I'm not super interested in being a veterinarian or a scientist, this might not be the game that I want to pick, even if it's a fun game, because after we're done playing the game, we're going to answer a couple of questions about why this career interests you, okay? So let's say I'm not really interested in doing that. So I'm going to click back a couple times. Okay, what am I interested in? I'm interested in airplanes. I love airplanes, pretend, so that I can come to this game and play a game about how to build an airplane. And then I would click on this guy to learn more about it, right? So you're picking a game from the list or going to the map and at least playing one game that you're interested in. You can play as many as you want, right? When you're done, there'll be one more link on your Google Classroom to click on. It's a form. And the form looks like this. There's 4 questions and they're pretty easy. So the first question says, the game I played was, and you just type it in. So if it was the plain one, I would put whatever it's called. Plain Works. I would write, the game I played was Plain Works. To play this game, you have to, then you write a little bit about what you had to do in the game. So maybe I'll write help build and design planes. So I would write that. Help build and design planes. What careers does this game connect to? So maybe it could be one, it could be more than one. It might be like being a pilot. It might be like an aerospace engineer, a mechanic. There's a couple of different careers that could be involved in building an airplane. And finally, one thing I learned about the career from playing this game was, and you write something you learned. Maybe you learn about that aerospace engineers have to factor in wind resistance to build the airplane. I don't know. Whatever you learn, you write it right here. And then you're done. You click submit so that I see all your questions, and then I'll know that you played at least one game and learned about a career. And that's all you got to do. You can be on Whyville for as long as you want. You can always come back and play more things. It's up to you, but this is how I will know that you played at least one game and learned about some careers. Okay? So remember, we are playing career games online to make connections to real-world careers, and we are trying to identify at least one thing that we learn about a career. And I will be able to see if you met these learning goals if you answer the questions. All right, have fun. Enjoy Whyville. Miss you all. Talk to you later.